Hello everyone. Odoo website product rating and review app will allow user to add the feedback review and rating system for the customer engagement. Through this app, you can also allow your user to give the ratings and put their reviews about the product in the website page. For giving the review and rating, user must needs to sign in on the website in Odoo webshop as well as the e-commerce page. After installing this module, let's get into the products. Here, these two are the products which I have enabled in the website, and also you can see the chatter where we can see all the ratings about the products. Now, let's get into the website page. Now, we are in the website page. Let's get into the shop and get into the product to add and review. Now, you can see that we are in the login of Mohit Rana, so let's add and command. There will be an already two command will be added. Now, let's add and command here. So once you added the command, you can see an attachment option will be there where we can attach both videos as well as the images. Now after adding the images, just you can see and send option to add in commands. User can see and publish the date as well as the command will be there, and user can add the ratings from here itself. So here user can see an option to add and like, dislike as well as the command, the review which other users add. Now from here let's add and review as well as the command. So here we have added the command. Let's post the command now. Now let's get into the backend to see how it actually works. So from here in this backend page where you can see and reviews and ratings, where you can see the ratings will be there which we have added now. This is the rating that we have added, and you can see all the informations like short descriptions, and also the attachment will be there. And here you can see and user like and also user dislikes, and also you can see how many like review will be there and also dislike review will be there. And here in this chatter you can see all the reviews will be there. And also to give and review you must be logged in, otherwise you can't give and reviews and ratings. It will show an option to sign in at the product page. If you click on that, it will lead us to the main page where user needs to be signed in. In this way we can make use of this module to allow users to add and review and ratings for each and every product in the website form page. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.